Relax your days away in with views of the 200-wide Rubicon Canal from your two halves, first floor end unit condo. One on the larger condos in Cape Coral, boasting almost 1,500 square feet, 2 lanais, large living, dining room, eat-in kitchen, and in-unit laundry. Luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the unit including plank tile on the 2 lanais. The spacious master offers sliders to lanai, walk-in closet and ensuite bath with walk-in shower. Guests will enjoy their light and airy getaway with a private lanai space. Some other recent updates include interior paint, stainless steel kitchen appliances, tile backsplash, pluming, washer and dryer, lighting. Roof is a few years old and parking lot has been resurfaced. Tucked in a great residential neighborhood, Driftwood is conveniently located far enough for peace and quiet, yet moments away from downtown Cape Coral dining, nightlife, shopping and both bridges to Fort Myers and the beaches. The Hoa offers heated community pool along the Rubicon Canal, carport, and rentals. Boating access is first come first serve and moments away from the river with a 9 bridge.